everyone, it's Tammy, and you guys probably know that I have a new kind of obsession with MD cards, the memory decks cards, and I have had so much fun making them, and I have been making a ton of them. And I have been asked by several people if I would swap with them or how I could do that. And as much as I would love to swap with each one of you, there's just no way that I could. But I was talking with my friends, and I think what I have decided is that if you would like a chance to win some MD cards, so I'm thinking I'm going to give 5 out at a time, you could enter, and to enter you need to send me an MD card, and then that is your chance to win 5 in return. So if you send me an MD card, I will put your name in a drawing, and at the end of April I will draw, and however many I have. So if your entry has to be in my house by April 30th, I think there's January, February, March, April, yeah, April 30th. Actually, I'll say postmarked by April 30th. I'll pick a drawing early May, and however many MD cards I have to give out, I will divide them up to the number of winners that can win. So for example, let me show you some of the MD cards that I already have available. I have like this cute little bee one, and I have this cute flamingo one, and this Easter one, and this coffee one, and here's a real queens fix each other's crowns, and this one isn't one yet, but it could easily be made into one, and it says, I can totally keep secrets. It's the people I tell them to that can't. And this one's cute. It's a little jingle bell one. There's little tiny wiggles, and there's jingle bells. And this one is one of my favorites. And this one I love too, with the little shoes in the shoebox, and I made all of that. I was so excited. And then here's another one. So I probably already have enough here for 2 winners. There's my little cat, Fuzzy. And I will make some more. So there'll be at least 3 winners. And all you have to do to enter to win is to mail me an MD card, and you can just fit it into hopefully a regular A2 sized envelope. Certainly it fits into an A2 envelope. Yes, and just mail it, and I will draw winners, and whoever wins, I will let you guys know by the first week of May, let's say. And again, you have until April 30th to get it postmarked and in the mail, and I will do a drawing. Now, I don't want to give my address out to everyone, so when you have finished making your MD card, I would like for you to send me an email at TT.Scraps@sbcglobal.net, and I will confirm that you are really sending me a card, and then I will give you my address, because I don't have a P.O. box, and I really don't think I want one, so I think this is the safest way to do that. So I'm looking forward to seeing what you guys make, and I cannot wait to show off your work. And that's another thing, I will be happy to show off all of them at the end to show everybody what I received, just because I think that'll be really fun. So I will do that as well. So I can't wait to see what you've gotten, what you send me. Please just make it fun, and it doesn't have any particular theme or any of that, just whatever you feel like you want to make. I would love it, and I really appreciate it. And thank you so much, and I will talk with you all very, very soon. Bye-bye.